Hiya Mark, thanks very much for the question. I'm away working at the moment and I'm at Bedhadou in Morocco, but I just received your question about your Beko WMB71642W, and you're saying you get error code 15 and 10 coming up on the system. You say you've been getting noises from the pump and you've changed it, but the machine is still not emptying correctly. You're still getting a very slow empty from what you're describing, and the machine sometimes is not emptying at all. First thing you want to do is make sure the pump filter and all the hoses going to the pump from the bottom of the drum. This is called a sump hose, and sometimes there's a little plastic ball in there. You want to clean all this and make sure it's spotless. If the pump is rotating on the impeller and the impeller is in good condition, then you also want to check the waste hose. You may have it connected to the sink unit, which you didn't say in your email. Now, if you have got it connected to the sink unit, you can end up with restrictions in water leaving the machine because of the sink unit. You want to make sure the whole fitting is clear and the water is able to go out of the machine. The best way of testing it is going to be actually putting the hose into a bucket and putting it on a rinse cycle to make sure the flow of water that's coming out of the machine is correct. I will put a link to all the spare parts for this machine on the description of this video. I hope it helps you, and I hope you enjoy this panoramic view as I've just come up here on the bike today to have a look at this place. It's one of the historic monuments here in Morocco, and I'm staying with the camper approximately about an hour's drive on the motorbike back to the camper. I'm in Orzad, which is the next city down. Anyway, I hope that answers your question with regards to your Beko washing machine. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us. If you need any further help, just use the contact us page.